Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to increase the keyboard volume on iPhone. So we're gonna start now. First go to the settings, then scroll down and choose sounds and haptics button. You need to increase the ringtone and alerts volume into maximum. Then turn on the change width buttons. After that, you need to scroll down and choose the keyboard feedback button. Now you make sure that you have turned on the sound button and turn off the haptic button. After that, you go back and choose the headphone safety option. Then turn on the reduce loud audio button and increase the volume into maximum. You are almost finished here. Now you go back to the settings and then scroll down until you see the Apple Music option. If you can't find it, you can go to App Store to download the Apple Music application. Now in the music option, choose the EQ button. Then select the late night option. Now you're done. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.